Hello everyone, welcome to Salesforce Network Salesforce Administrator Tutorial. Topic what we are going to cover in this session, that is field dependency. If the value of one field control the value of another field, then we call it as field dependency. Controlling field should be a pick list or checkbox. We cannot define multi-select pick list as controlling. Dependent field can be pick list or multi-select. Value selected in controlling field affects the value available in the dependent field. We can define default values for controlling field, but we cannot define default values for dependent fields. Steps to create field dependency: setup, object manager, choose object, fields and relationships, field dependencies, new. Step 1, select controlling field. Step 2, select dependent field. Step 3, click button to include or exclude values from dependent pick list. Step 4, click preview button to verify the values. Step 5, click save button. Let's see an example for field dependency. Let's create two pick list values, country and state, on student object. So here country would be controlling field and state would be dependent field. When we choose a particular country, its related state would be displayed in the state pick list. So here we are considering student object. We are going to create two fields, country and state. Country is of pick list data type. Again, state is also going to be pick list data type. And field dependency, then we are creating country would be controlling field and state is going to be dependent field. So let's log into our Salesforce account by providing the username and password. Hit the login button. So we are going to create two fields on a student object, that is country and state. So just click on this, click new to verify what are the values up to now. So name, gender, religion, phone, email and address is there. To this address we are going to create two fields, country and state. So close this window, just click on setup button, click edit object. In the fields and relationships, click on new button. Choose pick list data type, allows user to select a value from a list you define. Click next. Provide the field label, country and values. Enter values with each value separated by new line. Just I am providing all the countries name over here. Click next. Again I am going with default FLS. Next, default page layout, student layout. Click save and new. We have to create one more field, that is of state, pick list data type. Click next. Field label state. Here I had taken only two countries state, that is India and United States. Clicking on next button. FLS, I am going with default. Next, page layout, student layout. Click save button. So our assignment is going to starts from here. Clicking on field dependency, click new. So in the step 1 we have to choose controlling field, that would be country, and dependent field would be state. Click on continue button. So here all the values are coming over here, all the countries are coming and their states are coming. So here I had taken only two countries state, that is India and United States. So by using the shortcut key control minus, we can make our screen small, so it's easy to choose the value. So first I am looking for India country. So here it's, and initially the displayed states are of India only. Click on include values. Again from here to here it's India's state. Click again include values. Then the remaining all the values are of United States. So just look for United States. United States. So from this Alabama to this include values for United States. Again from this value to New York, it's United States, and these are also the values of United States. So just click on preview. In the country, for only two country it is going to work, for India and United States. Like this we can include the states of other country as well. So here I am going to search for India. So India, all the states are coming, and again if I am going with United States, again all the United States values are coming over here. So if I am going with apart from these two country, we are not finding any states for that particular country. So state is degraded country. So click on close button, click save, click OK. Make the screen large, just use the shortcut key control and plus symbol. Just click on student tab, click on new. So here I had taken some random data like name Alan, gender male, religion Hindu, phone some random phone number, email in the proper format, that is alan@gmail.com. Address is house number 122, and here we are seeing the country. So I am taking the country India. State I am choosing Haryana. So if I am going with any other country apart from India or United States, I am not be able to choose the state because I had not provided the state for other countries apart from India and United States. So again I am going with a United States country, and United States California. Click on save button. So country is United States and state is California is coming over here. So like this we are creating the field dependency. Thank you, and if you guys found this video helpful, please do like, subscribe and also leave a comment down below.